I'm Dr. Masuma Molvi. The summer sun is upon us, and the blazing sun and the scorching heat are not very forgiving for your skin. The heat, the humidity, they make dry skin rough, patchy, dull, and even more tanned, while the normal oily and combination skins, they see an opening up of the pores associated with an increased buildup of dirt, debris, and oil. The heat stimulates oil secretions and sebaceous glands, which can cause acneiform eruptions. These eruptions, when they heal, they lead to blemishes, which further intensify with the sun exposure. So it's a vicious cycle. A third important thing is that in the summer months, the excessive sun exposure can increase the photoaging process by breaking down collagen and elastin. So, to battle all this, the most important thing is that summer calls for a change in your regular skincare routine and skincare products. For that, first cleanser. All right, do away with your cream based cleansers. In the summer, opt for some kind of gel or foaming cleansers. For dry skin, gel based cleansers with tea tree oil or niacinamide are good because they are sebomatic. That means they remove the excess oil, but they do not over dry, over irritate, or over exfoliate. While in case of combination to oily skin, you can use foaming cleansers with salicylic acid, 1 or 2% mild, just enough to cleanse your pores. Next is coming to your moisturizer. Remember one thing, all skin types dehydrate. All right, so even in the summer, every skin type, even oily, needs to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Just choose the right kind of moisturizer. In this case, the dry skin types are luckier because most of the moisturizers go with them even during these months. But if you have any one which has cocoa butter or shea butter, do away with them. Reserve them for your winter months. Except of that, everything else is okay. For combination to oily skin, use lighter moisturizers, water-based of course. Water-based gel moisturizers are good, or even hydrating lotions with hyaluronic acid work well. Next, coming on to your sunscreen. All right, cleanse your face in the morning, moisturize, and then use a sunscreen. Sunscreens are important even if you're indoors on face and all exposed areas. In my opinion, emulsion based sunscreens work the best for all skin types. They are velvety, they work smooth on the skin, form a thin layer, they don't feel sweaty or sticky, and they are good for the full day. SPF 30 to 50 is fine. You don't need SPF 100 unless you have any kind of sun rashes or sun allergies. An important mention about exfoliation, because a lot of people have doubts and have been asking me about it, is that yes, you can scrub your skin, but only once or twice a week use a scrub with very fine particles. Anything harsh can lead to abrasions or scratches or skin rashes on your skin, but maybe maximum twice a week is enough. So you can use an exfoliating scrub twice a week instead of your cleanser, and then post that you can moisturize. That's in case of a combination to oily skin. If you have dry skin, in my opinion, even in the summer months, you don't need to exfoliate using a scrub. Just a change in the face wash is enough. Coming to toners, I'm not a big fan of toners because especially the ones which are alcohol based can cause a change in the pH of your skin. If you totally need to have the mattifying effect and you feel you need to tone your skin, you can opt for blotting pads. These are pads which have salicylic acid, glycolic, or other fruit acids, which give a sebomatic effect on your skin and deeply cleanse your pores. So post your cleansing, you can use the blotting pads, post which you can moisturize, use a sunscreen, and move out. All right, now coming to your night routine, same thing. Cleanse. Post cleansing, I would recommend to add some kind of an antioxidant serum to your routine. My favorite of course is a vitamin C serum because it's brightening. It really helps dull complexion. At the same time, it's lightening for particular blemishes, and being an antioxidant, it scavenges all the nascent oxygen, and therefore it helps to slow, halt, or even reverse the photoaging process. Serums are lighter, so they always have to come before the heavier concoction of a cream or a lotion. So wash your face, first apply a serum, and then you can apply a night cream and sleep off. In these months, a very, very important mention about makeup. Try to keep your makeup minimalistic. If you need the coverage, I would suggest to use maybe like a BB cream for coverage rather than going for very dense foundations and concealers. And even then, if you totally have to, opt for mineral makeup. But make sure once you step home, you've cleansed using a micellar water. Micellar waters are oil and water emulsions. They have very tiny oil particles which bind to the dirt in your pores and remove it and extract it properly. So use a micellar water to properly remove your makeup, and then only go moisturize and come back to your night routine. Important also mention about something which are called face mists. Okay, these are basically thermal spring waters from brands like Avene, Bioderma, Uriage, or Vichy, which give that extra hydration to your skin during the day, especially during the daylight hours. So during the day, if you need to freshen up your skin, you can always just spray it and lightly blot or dab your skin, and that takes your skin a long way to prevent any kind of dry, rough patches which are common in this time. Make sure that you do cleanse every day, because in summers what is also common are something called milia, which are tiny keratin retention cysts under your skin and in your pores around the thin skin of your eyes and nose, which can occur. So proper cleansing can also prevent that. Overall, to top it all, I always say hydrate, add vitamin C, eat healthy, and sleep well. Take care of yourself. Be skin happy during the summers.